let's say a confirmed officer down 1980 Park Avenue.